A rainy day is dull and gloomy. A rainy day is dull and gloomy. It rains all day long. It's rain all day long. The sky is overcast with things cloud. The sky is overcast with things cloud. The sky is not seen. The sky is not seen. None can go out without an umbrella. None can go out without an umbrella. Water stands on the roots and roots become muddy and slippery. Water stands on roots and roots becomes muddy and slippery. Those who have office and others business go out with umbrella over their heads, shoes in hand and clothes flowed up to kin. Those who have office and others business go out with umbrellas over their head, shoes in hand and clothes flowed up to kin. Passengers by also move in the same way. Passenger by also move in the same way. Sometimes people sleep and fall on the muddy road. Sometimes people sleep and fall on the muddy road. The poor suffer much on the rainy day. The poor suffer much on the rainy day. They cannot go out in quest of work and cannot earn their daily food. They cannot go out in quest of work and cannot earn their daily food. Most of the students do not go to school. Most of the students do not go to school. Only a few go to schools, but they get drenched on the way. Only a few go to schools, but they get drenched on the way. So classes are not held, and it is a day of great joy to them. So classes are not held, and it is a day of great joy to them. Other people also stay at home. Other people also stay at home and pass their day without doing anything. And pass their day without doing anything. The kettle keep standing in their shade. The kettles keep standing in their shade and below for fodder, and below for fodder. A rainy day is not pleasant at all. A rainy day is not pleasant at all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.